Using the XSA800 as an example. Press the MES measurement button. Select EMI and click Enable. Then, choose the regulatory standard. Click Scan Config, select CSPR band. In the frequency band settings, you can select from over 200 regulatory standards. Choose the desired standard and click Load to apply it. Next, use an XDG waveform generator to output a 10 MHz signal to simulate interference. In the sequence, then choose Scan and Search and MES. Click Start. Set the spectrum analyzer to scan from 9 kHz to 30 MHz. The results will show. The third peak at 18 MHz exceeds the limit. Exceeded values are highlighted in red on the display.